Hello collectors! Welcome back to another video. This is an unboxing video. We will unbox this Chevy Silverado Trail Boss Off-Road. Let's open it. Wow, this is beautiful. The paint job is amazing. It has engraved detail written Chevrolet. It has double cabin. It has sunroof. It has a short bed in the back to carry things. The tires are big and muscular. The blue color looks good. Let's compare it with my another off-road. This is Ford Raptor 150 off-road. Both looks almost same, but both are beautiful. Nice to have this in my off-road collection. Don't forget to subscribe my channel today. Thank you for watching.